guys a vegetarian rice? Well, I did this video last month and I was supposed to upload it since last month, but I didn't get to upload it. I made this rice on Christmas Day. I was calling it my Christmas rice, but since Christmas gone, I'm just gonna call it a fruity vegetable rice. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys step by step how I make this delicious fruity vegetable rice, and I hope you guys are gonna enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, what are you waiting for? Just subscribe, alright? And you guys can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And if you guys would like to donate to my channel, I will leave the link down below for my Cash App and my PayPal. I would really appreciate it. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy this delicious fruity vegetable rice. It's kind of an expensive rice to make because you put in like grapes and apples, all different types of fruit inside, but trust me, it was so delicious. So delicious. You guys would love it. Both of my kids love it, even Aiden too. Alright guys, so hope you guys enjoy this rice. Enjoy. So these are my ingredients here. I have green seasoned mustard hot sauce, garlic sauce, raisin, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, apples, grape, all my different spices, and I have my onion, garlic, shallots, celery, ginger, fine leaf thyme. So the first thing I'm going to do here is put some butter in my pot, let it melt. And then I'm going to put in all my onion, garlic, shallot, celery, ginger, fine leaf thyme. Mix it up into the butter and then fry it for a few minutes. Put some more butter and keep on mixing it. So now I'm going to put in my red bell pepper, then my yellow bell pepper. Give that a mix as well. Put a little bit more butter inside. So now I'm going to put in my green seasoned mustard hot sauce and my garlic sauce. Put in 1 cube and give it a mix again. Now this is my raisin here. I'm going to pour some hot water into raisin and let it rest for about 2 minutes. So now I have my white rice. I boiled my white rice off camera. You just boil it like how you normally boil your rice. And I'm going to mix my veggies into the rice. I'm going to put in my cubes, all-purpose season, onion powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, all my different spices, paprika, chili powder, black pepper, and you're going to give that a mix as well. So I just drained out the warm water from the raisins. Now I'm going to pour in my raisin and give it a mix. Now I'm going to pour in my sweet corn and mix the corn up into my rice. You guys really need to try this recipe. So now I'm going to pour in my apples and my grape. And give it a mix. Mix. Don't forget, all my measurements and ingredients will be in the description box down below. Trust me, you guys will enjoy eating this rice. It was so delicious. So that's my fruity vegetable rice / Christmas rice, guys. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy watching my video. As you can see here, I'm eating my Christmas rice with some macaroni salad. In my next video, I'll be showing you guys how to make this delicious salad, alright? And also I'll be eating it with some baked chicken. So you guys definitely try this recipe. And thank you guys so much for watching. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell, alright? This food was so delicious, guys. You really need to try it, alright? And when you try it, you can leave a comment down below and let me know how you guys enjoy this recipe, alright? Thanks for watching and bye!